Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Affirm on Expedia. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to affirm.com and log in into your account. Now, once you've logged in into your account, next thing that you want to do is you want to search for the section where we could actually search for Expedia. In this case, let's just type in Expedia, and from here just choose Expedia to open up the website for Expedia. So once you've gone to the Expedia website here, you could basically start using this. So in this case, make sure that you actually open up Expedia via the Affirm website here so that you'll be able to use Affirm. Now in this case, let's just enter the place that we want to go to. In this case, let's just enter LA and just click on search. Now from here, search for the room that you want to reserve. In this case, let's just click on the setting or the room for this one here. And from here, what you need to do is you want to basically look for the thing or the room that you want to reserve. So once you've clicked on reserve, you'll be redirected to this UI here. Now from here, just enter the details that they require, and from here you'll see the option that says Affirm if you use Affirm as the entryway when you go to Expedia. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.